So very good morning to all of you. In my previous video, I have discussed about an electromagnetic spectrum in which we have seen that an electromagnetic spectrum have a wide range, that is the wavelength in the increasing order of wavelength 0.1 angstrom. It is gamma ray having the wavelength less than 0.1 angstrom and less than 100 angstrom. It is an X-ray from 100 to 4000 angstrom. It is ultraviolet range, and from 4000 to 8000 angstrom. It is visible pure. Okay, it is visible or pure. 8002 10 power 7 angstrom. Infrared 10 power 7 to 10 power 11 angstrom. It is approx. These all are approx values. Microwave and beyond it radio waves. Here these are the range of an electromagnetic spectrum. So gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, pure, that is visible spectrum, infrared, microwave and radioactive waves radio waves. Okay. Now see, we have to discuss some common properties of an electromagnetic radiations. Okay, or electromagnetic spectrum. First common property is that all of the electromagnetic spectrums, means electromagnetic waves, whether gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave and radio waves, all these electromagnetic waves travel in vacuum with the same speed, that is the speed of light. So common property, first, all of them travel with the speed of light. They travel with the speed of light, and that is c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So first common property is that all of the electromagnetic spectrum like gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave, radio waves, these all travels with the same speed, and that is the speed of light in vacuum or in air. Here this point is most important. They travel with the same speed in vacuum or in air, and their speed is equal to the speed of light, and that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. First common property. Now second common property is that all of these rays, means gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, pure, means visible, infrared, microwave and radio waves, all these waves are transverse in nature. Means their vibrations are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Then these waves are said to be what types of wave? Transverse wave. Okay, means these all are transverse in nature. Transverse in nature. When their nature is transverse. Alright. Third common property is that all of them, all of means we are talking about gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, pure, infrared, microwave and radio waves. All these can travel through the vacuum as well as through the medium. Means necessity of medium is not required. Means medium is not necessarily required for the propagation of electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic waves. Okay, means all these waves, ultraviolet, gamma, X-ray, infrared, microwave, can travel through the vacuum as well as through the medium. Okay, so medium not required. Medium not required. That's why these waves are said to be an electromagnetic waves. Okay. And one more thing, these waves, fourth property, these waves do not deflect in electromagnetic field, These waves do not deflect in electromagnetic fields. Okay. And one more thing, that is fifth property. These all waves shows the property of reflection, refraction, dispersion, vision, etc. So these all are showing the properties of reflection, refraction, dispersion, etc. Okay, so these all are their common properties which they exhibit. Okay, now properties of gamma rays. No, what is in syllabus? Properties of ultraviolet radiations and properties of infrared radiations. These two are in our syllabus. Properties of ultraviolet radiation and properties of infrared radiation. Okay. Now coming to the properties of ultraviolet rays. As we have seen that ultraviolet rays have the wavelength range from 100 angstrom to 4000 angstrom, or you can call it as 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Okay, since nowadays we show the wavelength in the form of nanometer. Okay, so ultraviolet spectrum is the part of an electromagnetic spectrum having wavelength from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer. As in the case of common properties, we have already discussed that there are 5 properties that ultraviolet spectrum means ultraviolet rays are also traveling with the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, now they are transverse in nature. Here ultraviolet rays can travel through the vacuum as well as through the medium. Okay, it shows the strong fluorescence effect. Okay, it shows the strong fluorescence effect, strongly affect the photographic plate. They produce fluorescence on striking a zinc sulfide, plate. Okay, so these all are their properties. Now ultraviolet radiations can pass through quartz, but they are absorbed by glass. And now we are going to discuss some harmful effect of an ultraviolet radiation, some harmful effect. Okay, now let's see what are harmful effects. Ultraviolet radiation cause health hazards like skin cancer. Okay, if human body is exposed to them for a long period, so we have to take care that we have not to expose our body for a long time in ultraviolet radiation. Okay, otherwise it can cause skin cancer. Okay, some useful uses of ultraviolet radiations. some uses of ultraviolet radiations are for steriling process, okay, sterilizing process, for detecting the purity of gems, eggs and ghee, in producing vitamin D in food of plants and animals. Okay, so ultraviolet rays or ultraviolet radiations are having some useful and some harmful uses. Okay, now coming to the properties of infrared. Here infrared spectrum is the part of an electromagnetic spectrum in the range of what, 8000 angstrom to 10 power 7 angstrom, or you may write 800 nanometer to 10 power 6 nanometer. In this range, the electromagnetic radiation is said to be having infrared radiation. As in the case of common properties we have discussed, this infrared radiation will also have these common properties, just like infrared travels through the vacuum in a straight line, just like the light, with the speed of what? Speed of light as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It also shows the property of refraction and reflection. Also, its nature is also transverse in nature. Okay, it can also travel through the vacuum as well as through the medium. Okay, it does not strongly affect to the photographic plate. It is also absorbed by the glass plate, but it can pass through the rock salt. Okay, first it was detected by the scientist Herschel. Okay, some harmful effect: if we expose our body in extra amount of infrared, it may cause skin burn. Okay, and it can be detected by black bulb. Okay, thermopile. Its uses. The infrared radiations are used for therapeutic purpose by doctors. Okay, they are used in remote control of television and other gadgets. In this way, we can learn more and more about ultraviolet spectrum and infrared spectrum. And once again, I advise you all to go through each and every line written in your book as a theoretical part and learn some important properties. Okay, and learn the increasing and decreasing order of the wavelengths of different spectrums. Alright, and its next part, like scattering of light, is not in your syllabus. Thank you.